All right, welcome to the tutorial for the Wordsearch Engager, which is a really powerful tool when you want to engage your audience for 2 to 3 minutes and you want to convey certain benefits, let's say about the product or about the sponsor, or you want to outline all of your sponsors, or if you want to engage your audience with different words that have direct connection to the topic of your event. Wherever the case is, let me show you how the word search engager works. So first of all, let me walk you through the participant's experience. And I will use one of our templates that we've prepared here. So what you need to do, you need to click the play button over here. That's how you start the activation. That's how you present your engager. And over here, what you see is the first page, the welcoming page that the attendees will see. You can see up to 3 logos branding on top. You can see the main headline, the space for extra instructions and text, the image, and the ranking board, which is the live ranking boards. And whenever the participants will be playing, their results will be popping up here in the live mode. So now we pretend that we are the participants and we click the start button. The next page that we will see is the authentication page, or we call it the data input page. So here the participants will need to input their name and accept the terms and conditions and policies over here. Going a little bit forwards, I want to say that this page can be eliminated if we do the integration with the platform that you're using, the event platform. So we can set up the terms and conditions as part of the terms and conditions for the event, and we can issue a special terms token that will skip this page. Well, anyway, that's the participants will see in this case. They click enter, and the next page is the storytelling page. We can put any information here. So in this case, this is the information from our partner, Engamio, about the future of virtual events. We click start and we see the game. In this case, this is the word search game, and up to 8 words can be hidden on the word search grid. And as you can see, the experience has the individual timing. So each participant, while he or she will be playing, their experience will be timed. Let me find a couple words here. So here is the Give Me platform, sponsorship word. So you just go and search across the grids and you highlight the words that are hidden on the word search grid. Once you find all of the words, you will be automatically redirected to the next page. Or if you want, you can just finish your game right away by clicking finish button. The next page that you will see, we call it the results page. And here you can see the product of your attempt with your individual timing and the number of words that you found. You can download this image and let's say share it on social media afterwards, or just keep it as a memory from this event. Or you can send this image to your email. And not only you will get this image, but also you will get some extra information embedded into this email that the organizer can prepare in advance. So once you click next, this is the last page that we call the call to action page, where you can incentivize people to go and check certain pages or download any documents. So literally you can embed any link into this button and customize the text, the picture, the branding, and everything. So that concludes the experience for the participant. Now let me go back to your account and show you how to create this kind of experience. And as you can see here, my name appeared on the ranking board. Okay, we go back to our account. So when you want to create that kind of word search game, that kind of experience, you just click new engager, you choose the word search type of engager, you create the name for it, you click save, then you will be redirected to the creator mode. And as you can see here on the left, you have the 5 slides that you have just been observing when I was doing the presentation of the Give Me Engager. And what you need to do, you just need to go slide by slide and populate each slide with the data. Over here, you will input the headline. You can upload up to 3 logos. You can add extra instructions over here, the image, And over here, you can choose if you want to present the engager with the QR code. Let's say you're sharing your screen in Zoom with all of your audience, and they will see the QR code in this case, and they could scan it with their mobile devices. Or the other option, how you can present this engager, you can choose the start button in a way like you saw previously for Give Me Sample Word Search Engager, and that's how you can share the engager as well. You can also choose what kind of theme do you want to use. We have we have four templated themes, the black and white, the white and blue, the white and red, the black and yellow. Or if you want to choose your own custom theme, you just choose this one. You click on the pencil over here, and you can choose any color you want, and you can even input the specific color over here. The primary color is responsible for the backgrounds, the buttons, the icons, and when you're dealing with the map, for the map pins. But you also have the secondary color over here, which is responsible for fonts, borders, and when you're dealing with the puzzle, for the colors of the puzzle pieces. So as you can see here, you can change the color of the borders and the text as well. And the third option for the color is responsible for the pillars of the word search grid. So when you highlight certain words on the word search grid, these pillars will have this color that you choose over here. So let's keep this one. Then you go to the next slide. This is the data input slide or the authentication slide. And here you can activate up to three fields where you will be collecting the data from your participants. You can also choose if you want to make these fields a required one or no. And you can also customize the questions that you input here. So we have by default what is your full name, what is your email, what is your job title, but you can choose to any kind of question that you want. Let's say, what is your phone number? And etc., etc. So it's totally up to you how many fields you want to activate and what kind of questions do you want to ask from your participants. The next slide is the storytelling slide. Again, you can upload the picture, the headline, the text, up to 3 logos on top. And the fourth slide is the task slide itself. So let me show you how to create the word search grid. If you want to create it, just click over here and you will need to input up to 8 words that you want to place on the word search grid. So Monday, Tuesday, etc., etc. And you click generate. And as you can see, the grid has been created. If you don't like the disposition of the words, you can change them by reiterating your inputs. And as you can see, the words changed their location. The last slide is the call to action slides. And if you want, you can upload the image, the title, the text, the logo, and you can activate the button over here by creating the label for the button and inputting the link that you will be using to redirect participants to, let's say, the lead generating form or the website of the sponsor. So literally, you can use this page to invite your participants to check anything you want. All right, so that's how you create your engager, the word search. Then you click save and your engager will appear on your dashboard on the top. So that concludes the tutorial on how to create your word search engager. And please check out the next tutorial on how to create the puzzle engager. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.